Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart envelope from a regular piece of paper. For this one you're supposed to use A4 letter size paper, but I believe this will work like this, and if not, we will see how it turns out. Alright, so the first thing to do is fold it diagonally, nice and even. Okay. Yeah, I believe it's supposed to be a letter size piece of paper, but it's okay. I think this will work. Now, I just did the first step wrong. You're only supposed to crease half of this. You're not supposed to crease the whole thing. Whatever. It'll be okay. So, I crease just half. And don't crease the other half. Not supposed to. Then we're going to take this. We're going to fold it. Okay, sorry. Fold it. Backwards. This way. Okay, and now we're just going to unfold the whole thing. We're going to fold it in half. This way. Unfold it. Now we're going to spin it this way. Now we're going to fold up to that line we made up here. Oh, shoot. I'll only make a crease in the center. Oh well. Use that crease line you just made. Flip it over. Fold this up to that line. Fold this one up to that line. So we have it like this now. Now we're going to flip it back over. I'm going to take it, fold it to that point. Sorry, flip it over. Crease it good, flip it back over. You got it good, crease it good. Flip this up to that line. And then don't crease it. Just kind of hold it there at that point. And just kind of crease just that one layer. Okay. And now we're going to take this, and it just kind of goes like that. And like that. So make sure it goes right down to the edge. and then like that. So make sure that one layer goes right down to the edge. And then just like that. So like that, right? Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to unfold it. Okay. Flip it over. We're going to go right to that point again. Flip it back out. Like that. And fold this corner down. Fold this corner down. And you're going to fold this point down. Fold this point down. Like that. Now let's fold that over and look at that so far. So now we're going to turn it sideways and fold just this part, keeping it lined up here. Nice and even. Turn it around and do the same to the other side. No. Straight. There we go. So now we have it like this. I'm going to fold this. Lift up that layer. We're going to fold it. Be careful you don't fold your heart. Fold it right up in half, like that. Now, if you're using, like I just did, not a full letter size piece of paper, you're going to end up with this problem right now. See, there's a space here. If you want it to go right down to the edge there, then that's how it is. Okay, so with the regular size piece of paper, you'll end up with that little gap. There's no avoiding it. So if you have the letter size, the A12, sorry, if you have the letter size, you won't end up with that gap. But there's a heart envelope from a regular size piece of paper. If you want, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.